Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your Facebook Messenger switch account problem on your device. And let's dive right in. Now to fix your Facebook Messenger switch account problem on your Messenger on your phone, first let's open it, and you can see you will get some kinds of lag if you want to switch. If there are two or three problems that might cause the lag or the inability of the messenger to switch accounts between these, and if you want to fix them, first you'll have to open your settings on your phone like this, and after opening your settings, scroll down and go to the apps of your phone. You can see there is the apps option available on my device. Tap on apps like this on your device and search for messenger over here, and let's tap on the messenger. And basically guys, there you can see there is the storage option available over here just below the battery. Tap on storage, and there is the guys clear cache and the clear data button available over here. Now first, in order to fix your problem, make sure to close the messenger on your device and tap on clear cache, and after that try reopening your messenger and switching your accounts. That might have worked, or if you're still getting your problem switching your account on your device, first you'll be required to clear your data. But before you do that, you need to know a thing, that is, if you tap on the clear data, everything or every data on your messenger will be wiped out and you will have to log into all of your accounts from the first. Tap on clear data and try logging into your accounts and try switching again. And if the problem still continues, go to your Play Store and check for either the Facebook Messenger has updated or not, like this. Search for Facebook Messenger on the app, and you can see there is the messenger app available on the Play Store, and there is the open button available. If there was the update button, I would have required to update it, and you can check for your status on your device. If you have the update button available, tap on update and try again switching your accounts on your Facebook Messenger. By applying these three methods, you should have solved your problem. And if your problem continues, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.